All right, I made some slight changes here, and these are the changes that I've made. I've added here a value variable, and then here I've added this line on each item right here. And I've added a plus value here, plus value, you can see the value. Now the reason I'm doing this, let's say for example, the user types in I for interest, the next value after it should actually be a number. Let's look at an example right here. So notice here D for detail. D doesn't have any values coming in, so there's nothing there. But after the user types in I for interest, right here, I'm going to go after the next value right next to it. So what I'm going to do is increase I by 1. That'll give me access to this value here. Right after the I should be the interest rate, the same here. Right after the year should be the actual year. Right after the loan amount should actually be this loan amount right here. Right? So I've added some variables here so you can actually see it. Let's install this. And again, double check your work here. And let's test it. Terminal. Here. 3% came out for interest. 30 came out for years, and 400,000. And if we do this code right, we should be able to use any combination. So I'm going to type in here. In fact, let me get rid of the D for now. You can see it still works. Let's see if I do this. Still works. Let me see here, did it still work? Invalid option here, I gotta see why. Let me do that again. I have to probably debug that and see why it didn't work. That here, years came in. And then it said invalid option for years. Value years, but the value years didn't come out for some reason. Oh, because the loan amount I'm missing and that messed us up. So let me get rid of loan amount here. Let's run that again. Okay, that looks okay. Then let me see if I put interest in the back. At 5%. All right, so you should be able to mix around and play with this. Again, the logic is not perfect, but we're just playing with arrays. Now this is working. So the next thing eventually is to place these values in the mortgage calculator. Right now, this seems to be working. The D for detail, and you can see that it's affected. Interest was the 10,000. So all the values here. All right, with that, good luck and good coding.